Today, I'll show you how to add tabs on a Confluence page. Tabs are useful when you want to organize a lot of information without making the page too long. For example, you can separate content into sections like Overview, Requirements, Timeline, Reports, or FAQ. First, open Confluence and go to the page where you want to add tabs. Click Edit to open the page editor. Now, it is important to know that standard Confluence pages may not include a built-in tab layout in every workspace. If your Confluence site has a tabs macro or formatting app installed, type the /command. Then search for tabs, tab group, or a similar macro name. Select the tab macro from the menu. Now create your first tab. Give it a clear title, such as Overview. Inside the tab, add the content you want to show, such as text, tables, links, images, or Jira issues. Next, add another tab. For example, name it Timeline, then add project dates, milestones, or deadlines. Continue adding tabs for each section you need. Keep the tab names short so they are easy to read. If you do not see a tabs macro, your Confluence admin may need to install an app from the Atlassian Marketplace that supports tabs or page formatting. As an alternative, you can create a similar structure using headings, expand sections, or child pages. Once your tabs are ready, click Preview if available. Check that each tab opens correctly and the content is easy to understand. Finally, click Publish or Update to save the page, and that's it. You now know how to add tabs on a Confluence page. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.